Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically tag a customer who created a customer account. So we use the Shopify Flow app for this. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount at the Shopify App Store today. So first you install the app, then you come to the app section, open the app. So you can create a workflow. I already created one workflow. So you can tag. So click on that workflow and edit that workflow. So the first section we search is just for customer, and when the customer account is enabled, then we add a action which is we are adding customer tag. Search for customer once more, add customer tag. You can give the customer, for example, account. I can give what you like, account created, then add it and turn on the workflow. And now whenever any customer enable their customer account, it will automatically add a customer tag. Then using that customer tag, you can have different promotions run for them. For example, if you need to run a capping discount, for example, percentage discounts like 10% up to some particular amount, that type of discount, you can use the Next Discount app. So for your easiness, you can also check this particular flow from the templates they given for search for customer. Then you can see this. You can see this flow. You can also take that particular flow from here also. So yeah, that's it. So you can easily give a tag for your customers who created a customer account using this. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.